Did you know the humble corkscrew has been exploding with organizing potential for centuries? For centuries, humans have struggled to keep their homes tidy, with clutter and disorganization leading to stress and wasted time. But what if there was a simple, yet powerful tool that could revolutionize the way we organize our spaces? Meet the corkscrew, a seemingly mundane kitchen gadget that has been hiding in plain sight, waiting to unleash its full potential. Imagine a world where every room is a sanctuary of serenity, where every surface is clean and clutter-free, and where every moment is spent in productivity, not distraction. This might sound like a utopian dream, but it's a reality that's within our grasp, thanks to the mighty corkscrew. By repurposing this versatile tool, we can transform our homes into efficient, organized spaces that elevate our lives in countless ways. But before we dive into the world of corkscrew magic, let's explore the root of our disorganization problem. Clutter and disorganization are not just aesthetic issues. They have serious consequences on our mental and physical health. When our surroundings are cluttered, our minds become cluttered too, leading to decreased focus, increased stress, and a sense of overwhelm, which has been quietly serving as a versatile tool for organization for centuries. How can we break free from this cycle of chaos and reclaim our space? The answer lies in the humble corkscrew, which has been quietly serving as a versatile tool for organization for centuries. Storing but its true kitchen power utensils,
But its true power lies in its ability to help us create a sense of order and structure in our lives.
By using the corkscrew as a tool for organization, we can establish habits and routines that promote productivity and calm. It's like having a personal assistant that helps us stay on top of our tasks and keep our space tidy. But that's not the strangest part. Did you know that the corkscrew can also be used as a makeshift bookmark, a plant marker, or even a DIY wind chime? It's like a Swiss Army knife for your home, with endless possibilities for creative use. And then something unexpected happened. As I began to experiment with the corkscrew, I realized that its potential went far beyond just organization. It was a catalyst for creativity, a spark that ignited a sense of imagination and innovation in me. I started to see the corkscrew as a tool for problem-solving, a way to think outside the box and find new solutions to old problems. It's like having a superpower that gives you the ability to tackle any challenge that comes your way. So, how can you harness the power of the corkscrew in your own life? Start by identifying areas where you struggle with disorganization and clutter. Whether it's your kitchen, closet, or desk, the corkscrew can help you create a sense of order and structure. Begin by using the corkscrew to hang items, store utensils, or create a sense of visual interest. As you experiment with the corkscrew, you'll start to see the possibilities unfold. You'll discover new ways to use this versatile tool, from creating a DIY photo display to making a set of wind chimes.
And as you do, you'll start to feel a sense of pride and accomplishment, knowing that you're taking control of your space and your life.
It's a feeling that's hard to describe, but it's like a weight has been lifted off your shoulders, and you're finally able to breathe easily. You're no longer feeling overwhelmed by clutter and disorganization. You're empowered to create a space that reflects your personality and style. And that's the real magic of the corkscrew. It's not just a tool for organization, but a catalyst for creativity and innovation. So, what are you waiting for? Subscribe for more incredible stories like this, and join our journey of discovery as we explore the fascinating world of everyday objects. And don't forget to like and comment below. We love hearing from you and want to see how you're using the corkscrew in your own life. Want more mind-blowing facts? Subscribe and join our journey of discovery.